Hello guys and welcome to Hakmen Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to use the support and resistance level. Now a support level is that level in which the buyers are interested to push the market upward, and a resistance level is that level in which the sellers push the market downward. It's uh, it's that area where the bears do not want the market to go upwards, and for the support level, that is the bulls that do not want the market to go further down. So they do their best to push the market in the upward direction to make the market an uptrend. So how to use them in your chart? So let me show you how would you use them. Now for support level, I've marked out this place. You can see this area, or maybe let's say this area, not this one, but this area acts as a support level. Now let's go back in the to the past, and let's see if it matches with resistance level. Let's see how much far it can go. I guess that is right here, 2009. So at this point you can see that this is the resistance level. Ever since it has crossed this resistance level, the market has been trading in the upward direction. Now you can see that the market hasn't been dropped yet. It's trading for the whole time. It was trading above the support level, and at this point, as you can see, that this false breakout, this broke out, but again it recovered, and then the market start to move upward. So at this point you can see that this is a great area of support level. Now when the prices drop to this level, enter at this point and move along the trend. Now I would mark this as my resistance level. I would mark this as my resistance level. Now if it, as I've told you in previous videos of mine, if the trend continues in this direction, in the downward direction, and broke this trend line and then confirms its position and move downward, so please take short positions at this level. And if you take short positions, then you as far as the market is going down, you're going to make profit out of it. But what if it reached this point, didn't touch it like the previous one, and then from that point it start to move upward? So in that case you can enter the market and move along the trend in the upward direction, and maybe sell your stock at this point, or you can short your position at this level as well, because you know that this is a resistance level and the stock would drop at this point by far, and it could reach this point. So this is a type of side trend. You can say this is a type of side trend. The market moves in this between support and resistance level. So you can say that this is a type of side trend. You can also say that this is a range bound market, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's more of a side trend than anything. No, yes, you can say it's a range bound market, because you can see that it's oscillating between two different points. Now this is this is a great entry point if you enter at this level, because as you can see that this area is too much this area tells you a lot more than the trend at this point. If it touched this trend line, moved upward, then you're going to make a profit out of it. Otherwise do not enter at this point. Wait for it, wait for one candlestick or two, just like here at this level. Wait for it and then enter the market when the market start to move upward. So that's the that's behind this. Now the support level is that level in which the buyers do not want the market to go further down. The bulls do not want the market to go further down, as in this case right here. In this case as well, you can see that major price rejection happened at this area. The price got rejected because the buyer said that it's a price too low to pay, so they pushed the market. They paid higher prices and pushed the market upward. Now for the resistance level, as you can see that price rejection happened at various level. Price got rejected, again rejected. Now what happened at this case is that the sellers do not want the market to go further up, so they paid a price too low for the stocks and they push the market downward, and they do not want the market to go further up, so they push the market downward. Now let's further go. Again the same thing over here. Market went down, went up, again down, going down up till this point. Now we'll have to wait for it, how far the market can come down, how far the market will come down. So at this case you can see that there's a support level as well. So because of this we'll have to wait for it to give us some results of what will happen next, what will be what positions it will take, or what steps it could take, the market could take, and how can we get results out of it. So let's wait for it and see what happens next. So in this case it was that. Now let me show you something else. Now this also, this is a resistance level, and by far this is the support level. So it does not depend whether there should be two fixed points. You can use this as your support level as well, but that would be two up. You can see that, but I will fix this one as my support level. You can see that the price didn't reject it, but a strong bullish candlestick appeared at this point. So now the everything is moving up again. The prices are decreasing, but overall the stock is bullish. Buyers, investors are investing in this market. They are pushing the prices upward again. No major selling is happening in this area, so most of them are buying at this point, and the market is going upward. So you can see that at this case the market is overall a bullish market. Sorry, the stock is quite bullish at this level. Maybe some of them are selling, but most of them are buying, investing in this stock. You can see that strong bullish candlestick. So that is the reason of why this stock would go up in prices. So let's wait for it and see what happens next in this market. You can see that it is going up, going in the upward direction. So you'll have to find out what will happen next in this particular stock. At this point it broke this trend line, so this was a false breakout, and again it went up. You can see that it's still in the upward direction. So these are two support and resistance level. So the stock is trading downfall, again up. So let's see what happens next in this stock. So that's all about support and resistance level. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.